What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey!
That's right. And then you see we're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows who you are. So live your life.
Hey!
Hey! I am pure genius because I made this. I bet you're wondering how I made that. Well, all this is soap, water, which is dyed by food coloring, and a mystery liquid. See, if you want to make this, it's not really that hard. All you have to do is get some random stuff, just like water, syrup, practically anything. And you can make anything like this. Remember, my water is dyed with food coloring. So yeah, make one just like mine, and put it as a response to my video. Bye!